Hello guys, today I am going to show you the very effective way to earn money online by watching videos. For that, first we have to go to the site Earnably. Once we have go to that website, you have to click this website earnably.com. After clicking on that website, since you are the first timer, you have to sign up. There will be some very general information which you have to give, like name, email address, password and all those things, and you don't need to give any address such things. So since I have an already account in it, so I'm going to log in it. So I have logged in. So if you see here, I have 36.1 points, which means it's almost like 36 cents of USD. And today here I'm going to I would like to clarify one point, and here you will not earn so much money, and you will be able to earn money which is not very small amount, but which is not at the same time it's not big amount as well. So you have to be very clear about it. So for that, you have to go to the earn, and there you can see videos. And the main purpose of our today's videos is how to earn money online by watching videos. After clicking videos, you will be redirected to here. So you can see here, if you watch here, if you watch this video, you will get 0.7 points. Same way you will get 3.5 points if you watch this video. For today I am going to watch this video, so and it will redirect us to another website, third party, where you have to have login account there also. So you have to create a login account there as well. Sorry for the slow loading. So it says welcome to the Hideout TV. Got it. So here you can collect your rewards for watching that video. I'm going to give here no thanks. It's asking us to log in, so I'm going to log in here. Since I have already account in this one as well, I'm going to log in with the Google account. This is taking, yeah, here you have to watch the complete video, then only you can get the points. And very most important thing is you have to watch the advertisement as well. If you skip the advertisement, you may not get the points. So you have to complete this.
Hey guys, in today's video
I'm going to collect my reward here. See, if you see here,
very easy, so I'll walk you through those steps.
I'm going to pause this. See, I'm going to add. So code successfully removed. I have 29 points like this. I need to go here to redeem all my points. So you can, if you find any promo codes on the Earnably or Hideout TV pages in Facebook, Twitter, like that, you can redeem those points as well. To redeem these points, you have to have you can redeem those points to the your earnable accounts. I will start redeem. So 27 points will be redeemed. I'm going to click here Earnably. So I'm going to get 2.1 points of earnable. So this is how you can earn the point. I hope you find this video very helpful. If you find it helpful, please like, share and comment and subscribe to the video channel. Thank you.